This is what I can tell you.
I posted you.
Who is Ashton Big? Ashton Big?
Yeah.
Ashton Big?
Yes.
What's your name?
Yes.
Ashton Big?
Yes.
Zina ryawe fisi.
Kagarara.
Yeah.
Umeze neza.
Fresh.
What's your name?
Yeah, my name is Ashton Big.
What's the name? What's the name?
My name is
What's the name your mother gave you?
Emmanuel.
Oh, Emmanuel?
Fils Nyamuni ni Mudayigo Emmanuel.
Really?
Yes.
I see you running with the cars.
Yeah.
You going viral.
Yes.
You're doing your thing.
Kwirukanga ku modoka.
So what, you officially Ashton Big? Jesus is king? Okay. Look.
No.
All right, real quick. What, you want a picture or something? What we doing? Hey, quick picture so I can slide. Come on, let's get it. 3, 2. Somebody else send it to you.
Fizi fata ifoto.
Love.
We gotta go. Let's go.
I seen it already. You keep doing your thing. God bless you. Huh?
I need you.
Push up.
Down.
We can't. We have to go. But I love your work. You keep going.
I love you so much.
I love you too. You keep grinding. God bless you guys. God bless. All right, let's slide. It's all good. Yo, Ashton Big wildin', bro.
Yo, Ashton, I am a streamer, man. I'm a streamer from Rwanda.
Oh, really?
For real, can I still W?
Keep grinding.
Huh? Can I beat down? Say W one take. Please, man. Please. Please, man. Oh. Please, man. Say yes, man. Please. I want to say W. One W, man. One W, please.
One W, bro. One W.
One picture, I'm safe.
You got too hype, bro. You blew it, bro.
One picture, I'm safe.
You got too hype. You gotta calm down.
Ashton,
I'm trying to let you get your clip, bro.
Ashton, one picture, I'm safe for you, man.
Love, bro.
Right here. Ashton, one picture, I'm safe for you. Please. One picture. I'm safe for you.
Hey, come to the next location.
What is the next location?
Come to the next location.
Ashton, you are W, man. Ashton, you are W.
Watch out. Let him in.
Holy cow, it's crazy.
Yo, Gendry, go other side. Over side?
Yeah, come on this side. Come on the left side. Left side.
Put up people over the side.
Ashton, India.
Let him in.
No, hold on.
Let him in. Go.
Kandi yakubwiye ngo yifate sha uratinda mwana. Yoze ko nakubwiye ngo mufate ifoto ntiwanyuma. Yo.
Put up the windows.
So.
Oh, you want to take a picture?
Come on, the kids. We'll find them. They coming to the next location.
Yeah.
Granda.
Rwanda is the best country.
Granda.
Let's go.
Ashton looks. I am tired, chat, but we keep going. You didn't bless the disabled singer. Honestly, he was just asking to race. And I couldn't race him. Okay, all right. Did he exported? Dang, that sucks, bro. I didn't see it. Is it still downloading or something? Call Corona so we can get that up. We're doing the.
Damn.
Ready? Do we have Badass.
Faut conduire doucement. On n'est pas pressé. On va à l'hôtel. Attends. Ça va faire.
Hold on.
Sheesh.
So what? Oh, hotspot. My hotspot is on. It's Wi-Fi. 1 second. Oh my God! Look at Ashton Big. What is she doing? That's a girl. Yeah, we can't even do that. That was a girl. Chat, was that a girl? Ashton Big is a girl or a dude?
No, he's a boy. Sorry.
That's a boy.
He's a boy.
It's a boy.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, his name is Fisnyamunini.
Emmanuel.
Yeah, he's just a comedian.
Child also
filmmaker.
child.
So
Yeah, we'll come back for him.
Big fan.
It's cool. It's cool. We'll come back. We can't take pictures with everybody. He's gonna go to the next location.
Child से हाथ मिलाते उनके dreams और बढ़ जाते हैं.
Yeah, he's coming to the next spot. We love him. We love him. He's coming to the next spot. Ashton Big! Who is that? That's a dude?
yeah, he's a boy, man. 100%.
I'm tripping.
Yeah.
We have no cap.
Always
Oui, d'accord.
better.
Vous restez. Follow the white car. Kigali Universe. I'll follow you. Follow this car. No. You better.
Hold on. Tell that car to wait. Tell that car to wait. Tell that car to wait. Tell this car to wait. Hey, tell that car to wait. Dang, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. Where's security at? I gotta get out real quick.
Tell this wait.
I gotta get out.
I can't. There's the police here.
Okay, let me just get out then. He's not ready. He's not. Where's Corona's in that car?
The car behind us.
Behind us? All right, stop right quick. Stop right quick. Stop. Stop the car, please. Thank you, brother.
Ashton, what's up, man? Yo, Ashton.
Tomorrow. Which car?
Yeah. Corona's back there?
Corona, over there.
Yo, Ashton, it's still me here.
2 minutes. Chat, I'll be right back. Hey, y'all, I'll be right back. 2 minutes.
Yes, yeah. So, reka mbwira abanyarwanda abantu badukurikiye kuri live. So, no, ushatse wabushinze ukabura. So, as I have told you, reka mbwira abanyarwanda ku bantu abanyarwanda badukurikiye. So, turi live aka kanya. So, nje nishimye cyane kuba
Go inside. It's live. Go inside. It's live. Where are you going?
Let him wait.
No, go into the car.
Yes, no kuvuga ngo rero turi live aka kanya, gusa nishimiye umuvandimwe wanje, gusa I really appreciate, nshimiye Imana bwa mbere muri rusange. Imana ni nziza, Imana nziza ibihe byose. Urumva Imana ni nziza ibihe byose. Yeah, good bro. Imana ni nziza ibihe byose.
Umuntu agomba kumenya gusuzuma umuntu mwana.
Ashton arizi.
Nose kumbona tujye kugenda tubasize.
Nusiko bari kumagarika umuhanda hagati ibintu barona bishoboka.
So, no kuvuga ngo rero slowly driver. So no kuvuga ngo ukuntu ibintu bimeze. so ndabashimiye cyane abanyarwanda mbikuye ku mutima mwese muri abantu badanje cyane ntago byabashije kudukundira yuko navuga ko twari buze kujya nyine muri location ya slow twari twateguye ariko ntekereza ko naho twagiye buriya nabyo ni ibintu byo gushimirwa nshimira igihugu cyane muri rusange ndagishimiye bimvuye ku mutima uburyo ejo n'abanshimira n'abantu uje baje kunyikira ku kibuga cy'indege mbona abantu badanje cyane kuko kuza hano mu gihugu bakaguha ahantu ushobora kuba wajya nawe ushobora kuba wakerekana mukanahasura ni ibintu byadanje ni ibintu nyine byadanje tu u Rwanda uradukunda natwe turabakunda kuko njye ndi umwana w'u Rwanda nkunda kuvuga ngo ngewe u Rwanda rundimo ntago rundiho yes niko bimeze kabisa kandi ikintu cyo mbijeje ni kimwe ntago usubira inyuma kubera ko kinezera cyo nuko Imana ikomeje kuntiza ubuzima Imana ikomeza kuntiza ubuzima gahunda nyine bari gukora ntago usubira inyuma kuntiza ubuzima no gukora yes niyo gahunda so I'm with my brother his name is Indian Ashin Hill. He's my big brother from Ash family. Yeah, from Ash family. So we really appreciate you everybody for all support you showed me. So and let me tell you, it is not time of stopping activities. Just it is a time of working hard. It's a time of indicating our potential. It's a time of improving and showing all the people disability is no inability. So no kuvuga ngo nagiye twavuga nyine ibintu byinshi tugarutse mu Kinyarwanda gatoya no kuvuga ngo ntabwo ikijyari kijya cyo guhagararaho iki cyo kugira gute cyo gukora cyane ndetse kwereka abantu bose muri rusange blessings man blessings thank you man thank you so nicyo gihe cyo kwereka abantu ko umuntu ufite ubumuga wese ahari ashoboye kandi ashobora kuba nawe yagira ku bintu mu buryo bumwe cyangwa ubundi so naravuze ngo ntabwo umuntu azaguhereza isahani iriho ibiryo narangiza ngo aze kuguhereza foke ngo urishe ibyo biryo azaguha isahani iriho ibiryo umuntu aguha isahani aguha ibiryo bivuze ngo ugomba kuzashaka na foke kugira ngo ibyo biryo birishe so ni njyewe ni wowe kugira ngo tuba ku Rwanda rwacu kurusha uko twarusanze ni kuvuga ngo yes ni kuvuga ngo nyine turusigaye rwiza kurusha uko twarusanze ndetse nkomeza kubwira abantu ahantu hari umuntu ufite ubumuga wese uba impamvu yo gutuma uwo muntu yumva yuko adashoboye ahubwo impamvu yo gutuma uwo muntu yumva ashoboye kandi yuko nawe yaba umuntu watanje umuntu ukomeye kandi binarenze uko bitekereza so iyo niyo message ku bantu bafite ubumuga ntekereza yuko ariyo natanga my bro
Yeah.
Can you speak I want to give you one message to the people from Rwanda even
Yeah, Rwanda people's crazy your fans.
yeah
Really?
yeah
So I love Rwanda people's amazing.
He's my fan. Yeah, man. Yeah, what's up? Blessings, bro. God is amazing all the time. Blessings.
अब आपके बहुत fans हो जाएंगे. Fans Rwanda.
Yeah, friends. You just want to keep friends in Rwanda? And remember the face. You know we are family, bro. I'm the face. And when you just plan to come in Rwanda, you have to feel free. Just say if you come in Rwanda, you have to know that I'm here for you. Yes, you must come in Rwanda as like you are just your home. You feel me? You feel me? Just when you plan to come in Rwanda, just feel just
Come to India. Welcome to India.
Yeah, you come, bro. You come. We just plan. We plan and we come to India. And me,
Yeah.
I wish to come in India because I wanted to see the people from India, man. Yeah, I wanted the people from India. So it is the problem of time, but all the time I live at, so I will be there, no problem. But that is it. So, and I hope. Let me say that people from India love you so much, and man, God is amazing. About me, so for sure, 100%, I really appreciate God, whatever you have done for me. I can't know what I can say, bro. Because God is amazing all the time. God is amazing. 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 God is amazing all the time. You understand? Please, can you give a message to the people from India? One message to the people from India.
Yeah.
So how can you describe Rwanda according to how you see our country?
Rwanda, India, Hindu.
Yeah.
I know.
So how can I say? I want you to tell all Indian how you see Rwanda. In your in your language, no problem. Can you use your language?
Yeah.
Explain how
So
Rwanda is.
Yeah. Or in a simple word, explain how Rwanda is.
yeah, Rwanda, very beautiful city.
Yes.
So hills,
Yeah.
big.
Yes.
So मतलब view,
Yeah.
amazing.
Yes.
Yes, and people's and behavior बहुत अच्छा है, मैंने
Yeah.
देखा है.
Yeah.
So और जो लोग हैं वो बहुत बड़े फैंस हैं आपके.
Yeah.
और रवांडा इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. सो व्यू और होटल्स एंड
Hotels and the cleanliness alone.
yeah.
And
So
the,
वास्तव में रवांडा बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे घूम के बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं पहली बार रवांडा आया. सो मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं रवांडा जाऊंगा घूमने. सो थैंक यू एस्टन ब्रदर. सो अफ्रीका, नाइजीरिया, लागोस,
Cameroon, Benin,
Benin,
yeah.
and Rwanda.
Yeah.
So very full cities. Africa is big
Yeah, it's
continent.
Yeah, big
Big
continent.
continent.
Yeah, big continent.
So और इंडिया के जो लोग भाई मुझे देख रहे हैं, जो मुझे देख रहे हैं, तो इंडिया पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. इंडिया की पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज़्यादा है. वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. लाइक जैसे कि मेरी एक वीडियो थी 20 मिलियन लाइक की, 20 मिलियन लाइक की. सो अभी उस पर 9.7 मिलियन लाइक्स हुए हैं. सो अगर इंडिया चाहे कभी भी वो लाइक करवा सकती है. इंडिया की जो पॉपुलेशन है, जो फैंस है, वो बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छे. सो थैंक यू ऑल इंडियन ब्रदर्स जो मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया और आपने मुझे इतना